Hello paralog mentangan walam spi yaki khubor laitkam akabay day badga Williamnagar district code. So the district code Williamnagar recruitment 2024 stenographer LDA and Peon. So district code Williamnagar recruitment 2024 notification. Office of the district and session judge come district selection promotion committee is Garo Hill Williamnagar invites application for the post of stenographer grade 2 lower division assistant and peon. The application deadline is 28th of March 2024. So friends, he ban apply ya kini ki post ki badai jong ka stenographer LDA but peon support Williamnagar district code. So the different vacancies are given below. So number of post number 1, post name stenographer grade 2, number of post 1, salary pay level 11, that is 37,800 to 86,400. Essential qualification, bachelor degree from recognized university with a diploma in stenography in English with a minimum speed of 100 words per minute in shorthand and typing speed of 40 words per minute in computer based on written or typing test, shorthand test, and personal interview. And number 2, post name lower division assistant or LDA. Number of post 2, salary pay is level 5, that is 24,700 to 58,400. Essential qualification, bachelor degree from a recognized university with computer knowledge based on written tests and personal interviews. So number 3, post name Peon grade 4. Number of post 1, salary pay level 1 revised pay structure. Essential qualification, Sslc pass from a recognized board, direct matriculation interview if the applicant are less than 100 unwritten tests, personal interview if the applicants are more than 100. So friends, sobha bal pin shim ya kani ka kabu late ban apply ya kini ki post ki badai shopo Williamnagar district code. Age limit 18 to 32 years of age on 1st January 2024. The upper age limit is relaxable by 5 years for candidate belonging to scheduled caste or scheduled tribe candidates. In the case of person with disability, the upper age limit will be subject to OM number PER or AR 150 slash 88 slash 455, date 10 9 2007, issued by the state government personal and administrative reform part B department government of India. Nakabantai kini ki badon jing duna kindon ki jing pen jinsur ya karta jungpi te subha ban late ban apply ya kini ki post. No age limit for those candidates who are already in service of the state government provided they enter service within the prescribed age limit. So how to apply for the district code Williamnagar recruitment 2024 stenographer LDA and Peon? The completed application must be submitted with 2 passport size color identical photographs, one of which shall be pasted in the space provided in the standard form, and the other is to be accompanied by the form. The passport size photograph affixed on the application must be self-attested by the candidate in such a way that some portion of the signature of the candidate lies on the application form, and the remaining portion of the signature shall remain on the photo. Nakabenta ban apply ya kani ka post pi don kam ban ra artli ki passport size kepada ki color passport size kawai pi ban ta ha ka standard form ka ba phila adep attested da maphi bat phila ban sign ha ka to ka passport size. One self-addressed envelope that is 20 into 10 cm affixed with a postage stamp of Rs 5 rupees must attach and fill in application. So nakabanta ka envelope ade pidi ban tit ka envelope ka ba drong arpu lai bat 10 cm bat pi tit ru ya ka postage stamp ka ba de santangka duly fill up application in standard form, including demand draft as prescribed herein, and addressed to the District Session Judge Williamnagar 791411, should be accompanied by self-attested copies of the following: educational qualification and or experience certificate wherever required, caste certificate, birth certificate, HSLC or SSLC or equivalent certificate testifying the date of birth or age, and a proof of resident permanent and temporary. So pilihan ralut ikiniki documents. The last date for submission of the application is 28th of March 2024. Application fee bade Kande nakumdaki candidate shall be examination fee of 300 only in the form of demand draft payable to the Registrar General High Court of Meghalaya, Shillong. In the case of scheduled caste or scheduled tribe, other backward classes, examination fee of Rs 150 rupees will be charged. Nakabanta jungiki STSC kande tang chispa sanpo. However, the application fee is exempted subject to furnishing its disability certificate as per norm of PRAR 15088 PT 43 date 29 April 2015. Nakamdaki disability pada dan kamban COA. So applicant are advised to go through the District Court Williamnagar Recruitment 2024 Stenographer LDA and Peon official notification. So lakarpan yapi ki paralog baro ba ladep yaki kerdan pule baper ba pinsobha ban late ban apply yakini ki post ki bade poka Williamnagar District Court te ngakarmen ba pilayo shibun ki jingte na kani ka video junga but lada day na pengjung pi ki badang tmai subha ba pin like share ba subscribe ya ka channel junga kanang ba pinang yo shibun ki jingte ha Kiwei pat ki video ki badang wan ki kublai shibun dan bok ba pin ya sha ya klain ba pinang la ru ban yo ya ki kam ki jam nang ne shakmat